Hey everyone, welcome to hauchicyt. So today I'm just going to show you how I do my makeup for my videos, and it's just a very basic makeup routine that I just use every day, and it's pretty much similar across all of my videos. So just starting off with my BB cushion, I use the Laneige Neo Cushion and it's in the green one, which is the matte version, and I got the color 23N. Just a really easy cushion to use, and I just dab it all around. So I start in the center of my face and then I just work my way around. And then I just apply a little bit of lip balm because my lips are a little bit chapped, and this is the Laneige sleeping mask. Just to prep my lips for lip color later. And then I'm just gonna clip my hair up just to get the fringe out the way. And then I'm using this eyeshadow palette. This one's from Cosmetics, and I'm a huge fan of You Michelle fan. So this one is just a really lovely neutrals palette, and I just love how the colors are just really neutral, and yet there's some shimmer in there. So it's very versatile, and I really like using this a lot. So I'm gonna take this color in Timeless. I just apply a light wash on the corners of my eyes, just to deepen the shape, and it just makes a nice little base there. And then I take a blending brush and then I just brush that all out just to soften it, and then I go in again just to deepen it up. Now taking this pale color Whisper, it's just a really shimmery light eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply this on the inner corner of my eye. I'm just going to take this top shade, and it's just a really nice, beautiful golden shimmer, and it's a bit rosy gold, so it's really pretty. I'm just gonna blend the two colors together in the corner of my eye just to add that nice little pop there, and then do the same on the lower lash line. And then I take an eyeliner brush and I'm gonna dip it into this dark shade here, and this is called Sculpt. And I'm just gonna line the eyes. And then I'm gonna curl my lashes. And apply some mascara. Now onto eyeliner. I'm using two of them here. This one is from Etude House, and it's just a nice pencil liner. And then I have a liquid liner from Heroine, and this one's a beautiful smooth felt liner. And I'm just gonna take the pencil liner first. It is more of a brown color, so that is a lot more softer on the eyes. So I'm just gonna take that to line my waterline. And then with my liquid liner, I like to just tidy up the flick at the end, just to make it a little bit sharper. And then onto my eyebrows, I'm using the Maybelline Express Brow in Deep Brown. So this is a really thin type of pencil liner, and it's just got this spoolie at the end, and it's just really easy to use. So I just start at the edges, and then I work my way in, just to tidy up the shape. I don't like to overdraw my brows. And then I'm taking this blush, which is the M Cosmetics Heaven's Glow Blush. This one is a limited edition one. I think Michelle just released this all over again for the last time because it was so popular. I got this in the first round and it's just a beautiful pink, baby pink glowy shade, and it's just stunning. I just love how easy this is to apply and it's buildable. And it's got this kind of like gold shimmer to it, but it's not glittery, so it's more like a literal highlighter built in a blush. So I just take a little bit of this. I just dab this all along my cheeks, just to give that nice pinched girly blush over here. And you see how this glows? It's a really nice sheen to it. And then I'm taking this highlighter called Sunscape, and it's in Clairty. And I just love how this one is a really simple, nice golden sheen to it. It's like a pale champagne gold. And I apply this onto my nose bridge, to the tip of my nose. Take a little bit on the inner corner of my eyes. Cupid's bow, my chin, and that's just a nice dewy glow. Now I take onto eye glitter. This one is from Macqueen Mall, and it's just this beautiful champagne gold. It's a bit rosy as well, and it's just really pigmented. So I'm just gonna take this out, and it's just a nice easy applicator. I like to apply this on the bottom of my eyelash, just a little dabble, and it kind of just adds that little twinkle onto my eyes. So I really like how this is really simple to use. And because the applicator is so thin, it's really easy to use. Onto lips, I'm using the Etude Fixing Tint. This is one of my biggest addictions. I already have 3 of these in total because I just constantly use them. So I've got a cranberry color, I've got a more nude color, and then now I've got this really pretty summery pink, so I'm really happy to use this. I'm going to use this one today. In the day and age that we're all wearing masks, I love how this is mask proof, and also just in general when you're just eating, drinking, you don't want to worry about smudging your lips a lot. This one's at an affordable price, and I just really like how they have so many colors to choose from. This one's a really bright pink. Now my makeup look is complete, and this is just generally what I do every day. Something really simple but neutral eyes, and I always like to switch up my lip colors a lot because I feel like the lip color always has a story to tell. So whether you feel like you want to be more neutral, be more cute, you can switch it up. If you want to see how I pair this look with some outfits, then click over here. I have a few outfits here from different lookbooks, and I'll see you there. Bye!